Hi everyone, this is Barkha. Welcome back to Raining Arts. In today's craft, I am going to show you how to use rub-on transfers on a glass bottle. I have two bottles. I'll paint one bottle on the bottom half and other bottle on the top half. I'll use metallic sheen acrylic paint. I gave 2 coats of paint. Now I'll remove the tape. I bought these rub-on transfers. I'll cut the designs which I want on my bottles. Remove the backing and place it on your bottle. Rub it gently with the stick or with your fingers. Now peel off the top layer. Your design is transferred on the bottle. I'll do the same with other bottle too. Just press it with your fingers or stick. Remove the top layer. Tie the string around the neck of the bottles. Cute little bottle vases are done. It looks so pretty. Now I'll apply the varnish. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Like and subscribe if you want to watch such more videos. Happy crafting!